Okay, hello everyone. I am Giorgio, and I'm sharing in this video how I handle the marketing automation of my wife's clinic. I'm about to share my screen, but before start, let me say that I run the marketing automation for my wife. She's a dentist, so this video is for local businesses and dentists who want to save money in their CRM and in their marketing automation. I'll be showing how we grow from around 60, 70K per year to 180 and to 400 in just 2 years, leveraging those kind of automations. I'm gonna make other videos around this. Today's will be an hands-on experience in which I'm showing actually from my CRM what I do in through Zapier and through Integrately, which are the two tools that I'm using to deliver outstanding experience to my customers. So, first of all, let me share my screen. I want to show you from here my entire screen, and I want to start with this automation. So, okay. So first, let me go to my wife's CRM. So here we see the CRM, and we see the reports. First of all, I want to share the numbers. That's in Italian. Sorry for this, but I want to see at least how we were able to grow thanks to these three automations. So as you could see, this is the revenues that we have been able to achieve in the last 3 years. That's this year. That's the 2nd of February. We already done 3K this month. So let me explain you first of all the three use cases that I'm currently handling in the Zapier. So here, sorry, let's see my current Zap, because I have three use cases. And where is that? Sorry. Okay, here we have the Zaps. So you have three Zaps here. Asking the review, new appointment email. I turned it off. There should be actually one more. That's the third one. Probably I'm missing a spot here. Let me see again if I'm missing something, because I'm fixing actually one of those. Because what's the point basically? In my current CRM, this vTiger, I don't have any marketing automation, so I have to use Zapier and Integrately, which are the two tools I'm using for marketing automation to deliver through a kind of workflow this kind of transactional messages. Okay, so that's 3 days. I'm covering today's the 3 days remind appuntamento appointment 3 days, and that's the scheduling. So on daily basis at 11, I want to see all the people that have an appointment in the next 3 days. So that's the workflow I created. That's in Italian. That's my CRM process. I don't want to focus today on this, but what happens basically, I sent here an email, okay, through all the information around the patient and around the following date, because I'm gonna parse and grab this information, sending those through WhatsApp in this case, leveraging couple of tools. So if I have to buy some CRM, I pay a lot for marketing automation, and I'm not so flexible in customizing things like I'm doing with vTiger. I'm not saying that's the best option. There are a bunch of CRM out there that are probably comparable in terms of pricing, but through this platform, I could easily replicate with any kind of CRM, just leveraging one email. So if you have any CRM or any management software for your company, just sending an email through yourself or through through Zapier, like in this case, you could deliver emails and eventually WhatsApp to your prospect and to your customers. So what I'm basically taking here are the information from the patients. So here I'm grabbing this information, but I saw that leveraging this Google spreadsheet, that this data, as you could see, are wrong, are missing. So what I'm gonna do now is to get his information and to reprocess these documents, because I use, as you could see, a Google spreadsheet, and to reprocess this information, to take this and to activate actually those information from my current email that I'm receiving. So I'm taking this information from email parser from Zapier, and that here I put the name. Okay, here I put the phone number, which are the information that I need, phone number. And here I grab the date and the appointment. So that's the last visit. Let me, yeah, here actually I don't have as you could see, I don't have the information in that specific case, because that's probably an error, as you could see in this sense. Let me grab some other lead, and let's see. Yeah, here we have it. Here we have. So I'm gonna keep this, and I want to show you through this email that I have to fix some of the stuff. So that's inaccurate. So I need to parse better information from this email. So I keep this name. So name, I put it name here. I put the email here eventually if I need it, but I don't need actually the email right now, but I'm gonna keep it. That's the phone number, and that's the address. Okay. Sorry, that's not the address. That's the time plus day of the appointment. Okay. So if I save this as extra template, okay, I save this information, and I parse now them into my spreadsheet. So if I want to initial template editing now, so probably is the last one, but let me go back and see in my mail, sorry, in my mailboxes, okay, which are the information that I'm grabbing actually. So I go to mailboxes, I view email 3 days appointment. So that's this. That's the name that's wrong. I delete this. I don't know how to delete this. Okay, delete selected. Okay, I delete this because it's wrong. Yeah, delete these emails. Okay, I'm grabbing this information in this case. That's the wrong one as well. I keep the template, and I want to see what are the templates that I'm gonna keep. So in this case, the extra templates, as you could see, edit the extra template. So that's the extra template, and I think that with this could work. So I have to reprocess this. So I want to go to Zapier in this case and see with my Zap, yeah, here, appointment in 3 days. So that's the Zapier automation that I built, because I can't use Zapier in here. So I can't use WhatsApp in here. So I have to use even integrately, like we'll see. There aren't any question, any person. Good. So I continue my conversation. So here we have the template and we have the email. So that's the trigger. We receive the email. I refresh the field, as you could see, and this is the information I'm taking. Okay, so if I'm going here, I want to grab actually another email. So how to get this email parser, new email. Okay, account. Okay, that's cool, that's fine. The mailbox is fine. Find new records. Okay, that's the new record. No, apparently no. Find new records. Okay, email B. Okay, sender, blah, blah, blah. As you could see, there is bunch of shit here. Yeah, that's the good record. Okay, that's the record B, the ones that I just keep, that I just edited. And then I continue with this selected record. If I continue with this, I want to create a spreadsheet row, as you could see. And here I need to find the data. So up an event, okay, Google spreadsheet, continue, continue. Here we have the value spreadsheet. I choose the spreadsheet, which is this automation. That's fine. I want to keep also the parser, as you could see, output name and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to change this information. So is this one? As you could see, I'm changing the template. Okay. So this is the name, the phone, and the phone is output phone. Very good. And the date of the appointment. So this is not the correct one. That should be date. Oops, sorry. Should be here, date. Parser payload. Wait a second. Output name. So I have to check the output name. So here, self location. Yeah. In this case, as you could see, it took the information wrongly. Okay. So here, I want to just keep the date and time. Let's see. Let's see what happens. No, it's totally wrong. time day. No, it's totally wrong. So I don't use this to format. I don't use this. How to remove that? Okay. Yeah, apparently I can't edit that. So let me just close it and refresh it. Eventually, yeah, skip test. Input. Yeah, I can't edit this. So let me go back. New mail, Zapier parser. Action, type form, transform format. I don't transform anything. I just custom. I want, again, I don't keep this. Give me a second. Delete. Okay, I delete this. Yes. Yeah, around this, I was saying about the contents. So probably I have to refresh the fields. I continue, and I want to see with the selected record and to send a test. Okay, let's see a test. Publish. I want to test it, and I want to see if something happens here. Okay, so if I refresh this in this spreadsheet, yeah, I see the exact information. Let's see if it comes of this person, because the automation basically, yeah, I see something. Not updating that yet. Let's see again. Create a spreadsheet row. Yeah, here the location, self-location, I think that's the problem here. But let's see if it works. Edit Zap. I try again to test it. Yeah, I'm not receiving again the message of this guy. So let's try it again. Okay. So self-location. Yeah, here parse format data. Okay, that's correct. Parser output day. So the 5th at 1. Continue. I retest the step. As you could see, work now. And then if I have it here, yeah, as you see, it's working correctly. So this is fine. The next thing I need to do is to grab this information and test it from another source, which is, in this case, Integrately. Reminder appointment 3 days. Here we have it. And here I have to modify this automation. So I want to basically delete this. I delete this, and I want to test this automation starting from a different thing. So here I want to start from a Google spreadsheet. So I don't need it. I delete this if I can. No, I probably have to make spreadsheet. Google Sheets, yeah, this one. And no, probably I have to create a new one. Okay, I create a new one, so we don't have this issue. Okay, I go back, I turn it off. So that's 3 days appointment, as you could see here. Let's see, 3 here. I don't have it. Sorry, that's Google speaking. I don't have any live automation speaking about the 3 days appointment. So if I go on the live, I don't have any. As you could see, there are some automation that I have here, review request, but it's not the case. So I create a new automation here that contained Google Sheet and WhatsApp. Here. In this case, as you could see, I have 3K tasks. So I have a lot of tasks here, and send WhatsApp message for new spreadsheet row. Okay. Around this, what I can do is I have to check the connection. So I'm checking my wife connection, and I have to check even WhatsApp. So select spreadsheet, very easy. I want to grab an automation. Select worksheet would be 3 days appointment. So that will be this one, 3 days appointment. And then once I move ahead, I will see, I show you test. Okay, finished successfully. I continue with the WhatsApp integration. I already integrated WhatsApp here. I need to choose the business ID. Okay, I choose the message, the number, doesn't matter because I have to change it here. Okay, that's the number, the message type, I type a text, doesn't matter. And then I continue, okay? So in this case, here, integrately, to add more apps. Yes, I want to add more app because in this case, integrately, in this out of the box feature, it just allows me to send WhatsApp message through text. In this case, I want to use a template. Okay, I want to use a template to remind this. So that's the point number 2, and I delete that because I want directly that a new row is created. I want use a specific template that I already created. So I also did this. I have WhatsApp manager. Here I have my templates. I want to show you my templates. Okay, sorry, I have to go back here. And here I have my templates in which I created the business ID, the WhatsApp number, which is here. And then I have the template ID. The template ID is 3 days. So is the reminder, as you could see, I want to show you this first. Here, I want to go into the Italian one. And I want to go, let me see, give me, it's probably this. Yeah, it should be this one with the timing. Yeah, you see here we have the time and we have the date with the hours. So with the exact time frame. So I want to grab this template, dammi conferma. It's in Italian. And if I go here, I choose dammi conferma. Once I choose this, to phone number, okay, so I have this information here that should be filled, that are the ones that I'm taking from the spreadsheet. So I make the prefix, the phone number, the body field with the name, and the body field with the date of the appointment. So if I test it, okay, everything seems to be fine, okay, and I test it and it's done. So the automation is live. One more thing, I want to rename it. So I put it 03 Anna, or I don't remember the name, Anna. I call 3 days reminders. I save because I send it 3 days in advance. So everything starts from this workflow, that there is a formula on the workflow. I grab the information on this parser. So I want to show you again that if I paste, sorry, it's not ChatGPT. If I paste this information, okay, from here, and I copy paste those information here with this guy, Andrea, hopefully, yeah, it's here. So let me grab his name. Actually, I should be able to grab all of this together, but yeah, let's keep this. Actually, it should go together, but doesn't matter. Andrea, I grab the phone number, and I grab the date and the time here. So this guy should receive a message through WhatsApp. Okay, if I test it with Giorgio, and if I put my number, and I should receive a message. Oops. I don't know if it works because I just did it, so I'm not sure I will receive a message very soon. I don't know how often it checks through through Integrately. But yeah, that's basically what I did. So I could even copy this. I could create a new sheet, and then I could keep this information and find new records here through these emails. So in this case, okay, I can this email has already been done, but in these other cases, as you see, the template probably, yeah, in this case it seems to be correct. So if I want to accurate, so that's accurate, and I hide this, and thank you, we accuracy report improve our parsing. So in this case, the template is good. Okay, I grabbed the information, and yeah, I think I'm done with this. I could clean the history, but I also want to reprocess this mailbox. So probably I have to reprocess these emails. But for now, I just send, yeah, let's see. if I received, yeah, as you could see here, I received the appointment. Okay, so it works now. It works correctly. The automation is working fine. And now the only things I have to do, I have to grab this information. I have to paste that. At the moment, I'll do it manually because they go actually into my email. But I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna put them through this spreadsheet manually. But as you see, this automation works. So from tomorrow, I receive other emails directly through this mailbox. So what does it work? There is this CRM. So we have CRM processes. And if I have an appointment in the next 3 days, I send this email to this parser, which grabs this. And this app is working. So I go back on Zapier and it works. And this information as a draft, I don't know what's the draft. As draft, I don't know what's the draft in here. Let me check with Zapier. But this automation goes directly. So from the spreadsheet is basically the link between the automation that I have in 3 days reminder, as you could see. That's the old one. I delete that because I don't use Parser anymore. I use Zapier now, and that's basically a review for all the automation that could be run. And I grab the information from here and I send WhatsApp message through this. So this goes into even my email, so the secretary could check it. So everything is in control right now. And as you could see, I'm automated basically a very tough task leveraging Zapier. So speaking about the cost, if you see, these are the 3 automation that I have live. So managing the plan, as you could see, I'm already using 42 tasks, which is pretty much few. Around the task is very poor. I'll upgrade my plan in 5 days. I will be resetted, but I will probably consume them very soon. Let's speak about prices. So speaking about prices, these are the plans. As you could see, 750 is probably not enough for me. I would need 1,500, 1,500 tasks, and that's fine because that's fine. The chatbot, the interfaces are free, these tables are free. I will use these tasks. In euro is even less because I'm paying in euro is 54. I mean, it's the same actually, but it's 54 euro. Plus there are in my current plan, the starter plan, it costs around 3k. Sorry, not 3k, 30 euro per month. So with around 80 euro, I completely have 3k automation completely. Of course, no, all of them are handled by Zapier. If I want to go with 3,000, I have to use probably this, which costs more, but with less than 100 euro per month, I have very good automations because all these, let me close with this report. I have these are the first visits, the number of created patients. That's the counter, which is the years. As you could see, last year I created new 1,700, sorry, patient. I'm already at 175, so I'm perfectly on average. But consider that January started on the 9th of the month. So we are in a very good growth in terms of first visits, as you could see. And I get first visits even thanks to this asking the referral. Even in this case, I'm noticing that there is a mistake. So asking for the review, I want to fix it, even this, if there are no questions, if there are no attendance here. Let me check. Yeah, no questions here. Yeah. So let me go back and see the next automation. So I go back into this automation and I'm gonna fix it as well. So let's keep the parser. Let's keep the Zapier parser. That's probably here. Okay, let's go to the mailboxes. I have another mailboxes which is let me check. So I have this is fine. This is fine, but I'm not getting this. So I have to fix even these ones. That's the appointment. Okay, I don't give a shit about the emails, but I need to grab the time of the appointment. Okay, so I delete basically I delete this. This is the appointment confirmation. So oops, I have to fix this. okay, and I want to fix this parsing of those emails. So let me go back. So these automations are running on Integrately side, so this is perfectly fine. But going here into the mailboxes, I have this, which is the automations. I want to see the emails and the information that I'm grabbing. As you could see, this is not taking the information correctly. So I want to grab that's inaccurate. So I want to save this again. So I get the name, I get the phone, and I get the time of the appointment. Okay, I call it time. Save the extra template. So if this extra template is correct, I want to reprocess this. So I go back into the to this email. Okay, I view the email, and this is parsing this correctly. Okay, that's accurate, so that's fine. Now I want to reprocess this automation. Okay, so I go back into this new appointment, and I just want to grab this information from my email. So let's go here and let's see email parsed by Zapier, new email, very good. I want to edit this up because I want to refresh the fields, and I want to see if it's taking them correctly. Let's see the name of this person, because no, that's not the last one. I want to find new record. Let's go on report, yeah, email B. And in this case, I want to see the, yeah, email, blah, 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 name, mailbox, name, okay. Name, probably we have it. We have, and we have probably the time here. Yeah, as you could see, probably it's not taking the time properly, but let's see. I want to map it. Okay, continue with the selected record. I want to see the fields. Okay, so here we have the fields: name, phone, very good. I want to grab the timing. So the timing should go, as you could see, is not very well formatted, but the time, I should have a date. Mailbox date. That's not the correct one. First payload, no appuntamento, no. Phone, output. Let's look for output. First output time. Here we are. We have the time and the good. Very good. Sorry, that's the email. That was the wrong field. I have the email. Okay, I don't have the email probably. Let me see if I'm grabbing the email. Yeah, mailbox address. Very good. No, that's mailbox. Let's find an email here. Yeah, I don't have the email right now. I don't honestly need it. Let's keep this for now. Yeah, let's keep this. Doesn't matter. I want to grab this information. I need this. This information is around the time. Okay, the time is output time. So this one. Okay, so this is correct. Ora appuntamento. I continue. I retest the steps, and I want to see if it's good. Yeah, I got the email Marua here, and it's fine. So I got the timing as well. So here I'm taking this information, and everything is fine from the parser. So I publish this. So even in this case, everything else is fine. Last thing I want to do, I want to check as well the email for, which is the last one actually, for the mailbox number 3. So is the asking for the review. So even in this case, I have to remap, as you could see, that's inaccurate. I want to publish again, sorry, to map again new fields, name. I want to add the name, the phone number. Let me check again if I have one better. Yeah, that's the phone number. apparently in this case I'm confused because there should be less numbers. So this 39 shouldn't be there. I should use just the number. Okay, but let's keep this. I'll keep everything number. And I need also that's just for the review, so I don't need anything. So if I go here on asking the review, new contact, as you could see I have it, but I don't use it, so doesn't really matter. It's a format that I don't use, so I don't need it. So I go just with this and I save extra template, and I go back to the Zapier and I go to details. Let me delete this email because this guy has a wrong email. Okay, has a wrong number. So I delete this. Oops, wrong again. Sorry, my fault. Phone, etc. It seems to work. Let me go back. That's the review. I want to edit the email. So let me go back here. The UX is not perfect, but yeah, I want to delete this email. Okay. I want to go, yeah, to this person. So here we have everything correct. Okay. That's from, yeah, this is actually from my email. So it's probably not the correct one. Yeah, I should wait tomorrow or today later on for asking for the review. Because in this case, I want to show you that I have this. That's this asking the review. Here the rule or the workflow, yeah, every time his record is modified, and it goes every 4 hours. I have a cron job that goes every 4 hours, and that's the phone. So I save it, and yeah, I want to see if I could create more, but yeah, that's fine for now. I just keep like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it valuable. I stopped this sharing. So we saw basically how I built those automation with a complex amount, a total amount of around 80 euro per month, having around 2,000 tasks, 3,000 tasks per month. And it's very precious, the fact that I'm basically can replicate this into every system. So if you have a system that you want to send marketing automation to your people, but you don't know what software to buy and you don't want to change your current CRM or your current software management system, if you want to adapt this, just look at this video and let me know. I would be pleased to help you. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.